Hi, welcome back Next Tech Spark.
How to use and create keyframes in CapCut on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use and create keyframes in CapCut on PC. Keyframes are an essential tool for adding smooth animations, motion effects, and dynamic edits to your videos. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, making it super easy to understand, even if you're a beginner. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create professional-looking effects using keyframes. So, stay tuned and let's dive right in.